Hello, this is Mrs. Newbecker from Lakeland Elementary, and I am here for our Level 1 certification for 1.7 Task D. And this is an area of growth for us. We are really working hard and have worked really hard to improve this. Our scores for the staff was the lowest. The indicator is the success of the whole school as well as individuals within the school is appropriately acknowledged. And the staff said that was a 2.81. Parents didn't have as much of a problem with it, 3.65. Students were a 3.41, and our admin was a 2.22. So we really needed to improve this. So I'm excited to share with you what we've done. So we've added three main things. The Cardinal of the Week was instituted. So every week we share, teachers nominate a student and they come to my office and I read over the announcements, their name and why they were recognized as Cardinal of the Week. And then I call all their parents and celebrate them, and it's super fun, and they usually get a little treat as well. We have our fifth grade ceremony, which is not new, but that is something that we recognize all of our fifth grade, and they have a recognition night with an awards assembly, so that's very cool. And new this year also is our student leadership, and we have an organization, Kiwanis Club organization, is sponsoring them, and they meet monthly. And they have put a lot of great things in place. For example, their recycling program. They also started their own little school store where they sell school supplies, and they're just doing a lot of great things. And this is just their first year, so we are super excited with those things that are all taking place. And we're hopeful that we can continue. So this is example or evidence of our fifth grade graduation. Here are our attendance. So we also acknowledge our attendance, our students that have great attendance, and we graph our attendance weekly. And here are the actual evidence of how we've improved. We went from a 2.81 for the staff's perception to a 90% of participants agree that this has improved in terms of how we recognize students. Here's the rest of our data statement. This was an area of growth for us according to our survey results, 2.81. So like I was talking about, we've added our Kiwanis Club student leadership. We nominate we have the whole, like the council, the vice president, all of those people. Those kids actually voted for that, went through that whole process, and now they're doing service projects like the recycling. We have also added the Cardinal of the Week. The data statement says this was an area of growth for us according to our survey. Action plan was to celebrate students each week. So we added Cardinal of the Week, and like I talked about, we celebrate them, call home, and make sure the whole school knows. We take a picture of them and publish that, and the whole school knows that they've done a really super job of following our expectations. And there's a cute picture of how we publish them every week. And this is our teacher nomination Google form that they use. So we really are excited. Our data went from a 2.22 to almost everybody agrees that we are doing a much better job at recognizing our students.